Hey everybody! I'm here today to answer the simple question of what does SPF on sunscreen mean? I'll be giving you an easy explanation and giving you the full details on what SPF means on your sunscreen bottle. So let's get into this. This is spray sunscreen, but SPF means the same thing whether it's spray sunscreen or the sunscreen that you lather on, like that you squirt out from the bottle, or any other type of sunscreen that you might have. Okay? Now what it stands for, SPF stands for, and I have this written down, I know it off the top of my head, it's sun protection factor, but I'm just going to make sure. So SPF stands for sun protection factor. I got my notes over here. So SPF essentially stands for sun protection factor. S for sun, P for protection, F for factor. SPF is sun protection factor. I know I said it a lot of times, but I want you to fully understand what it means. And what it is it's essentially a measurement of how long the sunscreen is designed to protect you from the sun's rays. Okay? So it's a measurement of how long you will be protected, relatively protected, from the sun's UV rays. I believe it's the sun's UVB rays, if I remember correctly, but don't quote me on that part, even though I just said in the video, you know, I'm just telling you, as far as I remember, it's the UVB rays that are the harmful ones, but I could be wrong about that part. But definitely the SPF stands for sun protection factor, and it also is the number that represents how long it will protect you from the sun's harmful rays. We all love the sun, but too much of the sun can be harmful. Now essentially, it's a relative number. So what that means is that an SPF of 40 will last longer than an SPF of 30. It will protect you for longer than an SPF of 30. An SPF of 70 will protect you for much longer than an SPF of 20 or 10, okay? Now, a lot of people think that it's designed to represent like a number, like a direct number, like a number of minutes, let's say, like SPF 30 is 30 minutes or 30% protection. No, that's not how it works. It's just relative. So a higher number will protect you for longer than a lower number, and a lower number will protect you for shorter than a higher number. That's it. That is SPF. If you want to protect yourself for longer, you get a higher SPF. Now, it doesn't always represent that the sunscreen is necessarily stronger. Meaning, if you're just baking in the sun and you use a higher SPF, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to protect you more than a lower SPF, as far as I know. It just means, as far as I understood when I was researching for this video, it just means that it'll protect you for longer, okay? But I think, you know, as far as I know, I would feel more comfortable using an SPF 50 than an SPF 30, let's say, you know, in terms of, it feels like I'm more protected. I don't know if that's how it actually translates, but it definitely, that's what I believe. You know, you're going to be at least a little bit more protected from the sun and longer protected, okay? So I believe it's got to be a little bit stronger if it's a higher SPF, but that's not, as far as I know, that's not what the number means. It just means it's relative for length and time, but I believe an SPF 50 is going to be stronger. That's just what goes through my mind. But that's essentially, that is what does SPF mean on your sunscreen bottle. A simple answer. I tried to break it down as much as possible. If you like this video explanation, whoa, there goes a sunscreen bottle. Alright, it's all good. It didn't explode. It's got a little bit, I have a carpet down here. It's like my drum room. I got my drum set over here that I folded up. So I have a carpet down here too. This actually, believe it or not, was a sauna in my house when we first got it, but it wasn't complete. So they had the sauna, and they had the sauna unit, and they have the drain over there, but there just wasn't the drain is capped off. It's not like complete. There wasn't tiles. So, you know, from the floor up it was good, but on the floor it was not complete. They even have the sauna light in here and everything. Like, we're talking, it was ready to go as a sauna, and there was a sauna unit, but you know, I have 4 young kids. I don't have time to just sit in a sauna for a long time, you know, nor do I really want a sauna in my house to clean. It was more functional as a drum room for me and a filming room, so that's what I made it. Anyways, that's a totally unrelated thing, but I hope that you've enjoyed this video explanation on what does SPF mean on your sunscreen container. An easy explanation. If you like this video, tutorial / explanation, whatever kind of video you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Woo! Thanks for watching.